Shahi Nawabi Paneer. This dish incorporates zero oil, making it suitable for those looking for a lighter meal option. Aromatic spices, the mild heat from the green chilies make the flavors tantalizing. This dish is not only a treat for your taste buds but also a source of protein, vitamins and minerals. Shahi Nawabi Paneer is a guilt-free choice for anyone seeking a healthier twist in a traditional Indian cuisine. So come, let's start the process of cooking that delicious dish. 1/4 cup cashews soaked in warm water for 30 minutes approximately, and 10 to 12 almonds soaked in warm water again for 30 minutes and peeled. Now we will make a fine paste of both. Handful of raisins soaked in warm water for 30 minutes. We will be using raisins instead of sugar to bring that sweetness. So now we had made a paste of cashew and almonds, and we made a paste of raisins separately. Heat the pan, and then we will be adding fat-free butter of 20 grams. Once the butter starts melting, we will add whole spices, 3 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 cinnamon, very few jaggery. Now we will fry it. Now we will add 2 finely chopped onions. We'll add little bit of salt and saute it until they turn brown. We'll keep the flame in a medium. Now we will be adding 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and we'll saute it for another 2 minutes in medium flame. Now we will add 2 spoons of fat-free yogurt. Now we will mix it. Now we will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes again in the low flame. We'll saute the masala. Now we will add the cashew and almond paste, and we will cook it for a little bit. We will not be using sugar in this recipe, so we will add raisins paste instead of that. We'll mix it and let it cook in low flame for 2 minutes. We will turn the flame to low to medium and let the masala cook. We'll cook it until the butter separates. Butter is separated. Stir it. Now we will add 1 cup milk with saffron. After adding the milk, we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then add lukewarm water for 1 cup. Now we will add 250 grams of paneer cut into cubes. We'll add it. Adjust the salt according to your taste buds and and mix it well. Keep the flame on medium, and once it starts boiling, add 2 to 3 spoons of low fat cream. Now mix the cream well. Keep the flame on low and wait for 2 minutes. It's perfectly done. Your Shahi Nawabi Paneer is ready to serve.